Hi guys, how's it going? We're going to take a look at Tron really quickly and see where we left off last time. So, we counted 5 waves going up like that, right? On a different time frame here. Counted 1, 2, 3, and 4 around there, and 5. So, hold on, I just got to make sure that this is right. To make sure. Excuse me here. Yeah, okay, reached the 1-to-1 extension, so that is 5 waves up there. So what we talked about last time was that it formed the ABC correction right here, and this is the X impulse up. Now, after an ABC correction, what this likes to do is it likes to break out into the next impulse wave, which sometimes fails, sometimes doesn't. Depends on how bullish it is. Now, if it fails, then it makes an extended correction called a double zigzag, called a double Elliott wave. And you can actually find these in here as well. So the reason I'm looking at Tron is because it was recently added to bitfinex, and I think that's going to add a lot of liquidity to different markets. It's traded heavily right now on Binance there. It's getting like 55 million a day, and it's a very big high market cap coin. Usually bitfinex will, they haven't really added a very high market cap coin in a very long time. Usually it's a lower cap coin, or low medium cap coin. So anyways, when it breaks up like that, sometimes it fails, and then if it does fail, it makes this correction called WX, denoting failure, okay? Think of X for fail, like wrong. So, still leaving this here. So right now, where we are is we are on an impulse wave up that has corrected exactly 618, and it's hovering between this region with absolutely no sign of direction right now. And that's actually where I left off in my T as well a few days ago. I just opened it now and this happened. So assuming that this holds, okay, we're going to look at both scenarios. Assuming that this holds and we're getting a lot of volume that picks up. A lot of volume picked up here. I kind of like that. Kind of like that a lot actually. But this candle sucks right now and there's no volume. So if this does pick up in volume and I'm starting to see more bullish signs and upticks as well, getting higher highs, I'm definitely going to be interested in getting a lot of it. I mean, we're talking about 7-8 cents right now, guys. They're really cheap coins. What if this coin goes to like $1 or $2? I'm probably just going to pick up a few like 20,000 coins, I guess. That's like only $1,500, and I'm just going to hold it for a long time because it's just so cheap, and I just like the concept in general of Tron. And their beta release is also released on March 31st there. So that's only in 2 months away, and who knows how much it's going to spike, right? I think before it got up to like 58 cents already. Yeah, 58 cents is what it got up to there. I'm just going to double check. I think it was 58 cents. That's what it said before. I don't remember. It might have been way less than that. But either way, it's way higher than what it is now, right? So my play is, if this is not a failed impulse wave, then I'm going to go for a 1-to-1 extension once I get confirmation. And I'm just going to go for about 1100 Satoshi, around there. Now, if it does start to fail and I start to see it bearishly diverge, where it's starting to go into really low RSI, right? Like super low RSI ranges on like say the 15 to 30 minute chart, then I'm obviously not going to go into a long position. In fact, I'm just going to wait for it to fail, right? I will let the ABC correction pattern happen. Well, the next place that I will be looking at it will most likely be right around this region, right? Region between 382 and 500 Satoshi there. That was just on the 15th. And the reason I want to do this is because this is the next relevant support point just down over there. So that doesn't seem so bad right now. So now it's just a matter of a waiting game. It's a waiting game to see what kind of volume picks up, what kind of confirmation that we can get as well. And on bitfinex, there's not enough data yet, right? So that's why I'm using the Binance chart. So volume picked up so heavily here, but it's now dying off. So the only logical play right now, right, is you can accumulate now and hope that it goes up, or you can wait for confirmation and then buy on strength there, or you can wait for it to go down. There's really not a lot of plays right now if you want to get involved in Tron. And I'm probably gonna wait for confirmation. I really do want confirmation for it to bounce upwards. Like here, it's bouncing off of the 55 EMA, which is actually a decent sign so far. But either way, it's so cheap. It's so cheap, guys. Like, whether I buy it here and go long, or whether I buy it here, it doesn't really matter to me too much if it's just like $2,000 worth or $1,500 worth. I don't care if it swings like a few $100. I don't even care if it goes down like $500. I just want to hold this guy for a fairly long time, and eventually it's going to reach it's going to reach, you know, where it was before, which was I think it was about, well, here it was like 20,000 Satoshi, okay? And right now it's about 600. So yeah, I guess before it was about 23 cents. That makes sense. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update. We are still in a consolidation phase right now, and have been so for the past 4 or 5 days almost. There's no general trend yet. It's just a matter of hanging tight, watching it very diligently to see what direction it could break to, and then playing that breakout. And there's no reason to enter a trade on my end. I'm no financial advisor. You guys can do whatever you want, but there's no reason on my end to enter a trade yet because I don't have confirmation of a trend, and I don't like to enter on a swing position without confirmation of a trend. So that is where we sit for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate an upvote in the steemit community, and make sure you guys also like, subscribe, and share to the content on YouTube and on Twitter as well. Have yourselves a great day. So just to give you guys a Tron update, still consolidation, no big news yet. Take it easy, guys.